Steel, and today I'm going to do a sew along with you with our simple tee. It's a free pattern you can grab on our website, but the methods we're going to go over today you can use with any basic tee pattern. So come on, let's get sewing.
For our simple tee, you'll want to use any knit fabric for the bodice and sleeves. Today I'm using a 95% cotton with 5% spandex blend, but you will need a stretchy rib fabric for the neckband. For this pattern, you will cut one front bodice with a notch cut at center front, one back bodice with a notch cut at center back, and two sleeves, either short or long sleeves. I am sewing short sleeves today. And finally, one neckband in a stretchy rib fabric that has notches cut at the center. And if you're going to add any tags, don't forget to grab those. To begin sewing, with right sides of your fabric together, match up the front and back bodices with the shoulder seams and serge or zigzag stitch the shoulders together. Next, we will create the neckband loop by folding the neckband piece in half with right sides together. Match up the short ends to make a long loop, then serge or zigzag stitch to close. Now fold the neckband loop in half, wrong sides together like a hot dog bun so that the raw edges are together and the seam allowance is hidden inside, and place a clip. Next, find your center notches and match those up and place another clip. Now you should have two clips, one at center back and one at center front. Next, line up your center front and center back clips so they are in the middle of your neckband, and clip the side edges to make 4 equal parts of your neckband. With the bodice inside out, slide the neckband inside. With the neckband seam at the center back, match up the center front and then the shoulder seams with your clips. Attach the neckband with a serger or zigzag stitch, being careful to stretch only the neckband evenly as you sew along the 3 raw edges. Take your time making sure to capture all 3 of those raw edges. If you would like to add neck tape for a more finished look, this is where you would add the neck tape, and we have a video that walks you through that process. Now your tee should look something like this, with both of the shoulder seams sewn and the neckband attached with the tag in the back. Next, we are going to hem the sleeves. First, you want to fold the bottom of each sleeve toward the wrong side about a ½ inch. There are pointy bits on the short sleeve on each side that will match up with your sides perfectly. I like to use a washable glue stick for a temporary tack before hemming. You can also press with an iron or just go without pressing or a glue stick if you like to live life on the edge. Then use a cover stitch, twin needle, or zigzag stitch to hem the sleeves. Next, we're going to attach the sleeves. Start by lining up the center of the sleeve with the shoulder seam by matching the notches. Then pin or clip around the entire shoulder cap, making sure the ends match. Serge or zigzag stitch to attach the sleeve, then repeat the process with the other sleeve. We're almost done. Next, we're going to sew up the side seams. Lay the bodice out with right sides together, match up the sleeve hems, the armpits, and the bottom of the front and back bodice. Add any side seam tags, pin or clip in place, then serge or zigzag stitch from the sleeve end all the way to the bottom of the bodice on each side. Next, I like to clean up the serger tails from the sleeve. Last, we're going to hem the bodice. You'll want to fold the bottom raw edge of your bodice up 3/4 of an inch and press neatly with an iron or use a washable glue stick like I am for a temporary tack before hemming. With your shirt right side out, starting at the back left seam, use a cover stitch, twin needle, or a zigzag stitch all the way around the hem, being sure to overlap 3/4 to 1 inch to secure the stitches.